Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Hello. Let's tackle a very important exam question based on the heating effect of electric current. When electric current flows through a purely resistive circuit, electrical energy is converted into heat. This heat produced is directly proportional to the square of the current, the resistance of the conductor, and the time for which current flows. This gives us the formula H equals I squared RT. Devices like heaters and irons work on this exact principle. Let's look at part A. It asks us to list two properties of heating elements. Starting with part A. What makes a good heating element? First, high resistivity. They are usually made of alloys like nichrome to efficiently convert electrical energy into heat. Second, a high melting point. They must withstand elevated temperatures and not oxidize or burn readily. Now, part B asks for two properties of an electric fuse. Moving to part B. An electric fuse has very specific requirements. Most importantly, it must have an appropriate melting point so it melts exactly when the safe current limit is exceeded. Secondly, a specific safety rating. Fuses are rated for maximum safe currents, like 1 ampere or 5 amperes. Part C asks for the working principle of a fuse and how it manages to save our expensive appliances. The principle behind an electric fuse is simply the heating effect of electric current. But how exactly does it protect our devices? It is always connected in series with the live wire. When an accidental high current flows, Joule heating rapidly increases the temperature of the fuse wire. Because of its specific melting point, it melts instantly and breaks the circuit. This interrupts the dangerous current flow, acting as a safety measure to protect your appliances. Alternatively, we have an OR question. A heater of 1100 watts runs on 220 volts. We need to find the current and determine what happens if a 5 ampere fuse is connected. Let's solve this. We know the formula for power is voltage multiplied by current. Rearranging this, current I equals power divided by voltage. Substituting the values, I equals 1100 watts divided by 220 volts, which perfectly simplifies to exactly 5 amperes of current. Now, what about the fuse? The calculated current drawn is exactly 5 amperes. Since a 5 ampere fuse can safely carry a maximum of 5 amperes, it will not melt. Therefore, the fuse will operate normally, and the heater will function perfectly. Keep practicing and happy learning.